Are you tired of watching ads to get coins in Dramabox? Don't worry guys, I'm gonna show you how I got thousands of coins in Dramabox without watching a single ad and absolutely for free. As you can see, I got thousands of coins and they're still going up. Take a look here. So stick to the end because I'm gonna show you how I did it, and you can get all these coins, thousands of coins like I did, so that you can continue watching your favorite drama, TV series or movie. So as I've said, it's really easy. It literally takes like 5 minutes and it's completely free. So we're gonna use artificial intelligence to do this. Don't be scared when you hear about artificial intelligence. It's not a big deal. We're gonna use an AI called NoxGPT. And I'm sure most of you guys heard about ChatGPT. Well, NoxGPT is similar to ChatGPT. This is the AI that I'm talking about. So it's similar to ChatGPT, but it's really easy to use. You don't need to create an account to use it. Just go ahead and type Dramabox here. Then press on this blue button, and the NoxGPT is gonna start to generate a response. And it's going to show you a bunch of instructions that you have to follow in order to get all these coins without watching any ads. You guys saw my Dramabox account. I got thousands of coins. I got them all using this artificial intelligence. And don't worry, it's really easy to do. There are about 5 steps that you have to follow. And the process is overall pretty easy. As you can see, it's also showing you guys some pictures to make the process smoother. Just wait until the AI finishes writing that response. Then you can follow these steps, and I guarantee you guys that you're gonna get thousands of coins using this AI. So that's pretty much it. Looks like the AI finished writing the response. After that, just follow these steps, and you're gonna get thousands of coins in Dramabox like I did. You guys saw my Dramabox account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Using these coins, you can keep watching your favorite drama, TV series or whatever on Dramabox without watching any ads. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button and subscribe if it worked for you as well. Enjoy your Dramabox coins and stop watching ads. See you guys next time.